Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw on the lower left corner of the lower dash panel. Next, use the pry tool to unsnap the side panel and remove. Use the pry tool to unsnap the lower dash panel. All of the connections for the installation will be located on the left side of the fuse box. Please refer to the diagram on the right for clarity. Disconnect the 36-pin connector located near the bottom of the fuse box and connect the T-harness labeled 1 in line. Disconnect the 2-pin connector located on the left side of the fuse box and connect the T-harness labeled 2 in line. Disconnect the 8-pin connector located near the top left of the fuse box and connect the T-harness labeled 3 in line. Disconnect the 13-pin connector on the left side of the fuse box and connect the T-harness labeled 4 in line. Use the included zip ties to secure the module. Installation is now complete. Please refer to the guide for programming instructions.